Oh boy. I don't know how well you can see me, but somebody suggested that I film what I do on the forge, so I'll kind of explain what I'm doing. So I got a 1-inch square bar of 4140 steel, and this I have to elongate and thin up to make a blank for a tomahawk. And so I guess I'll be showing the process of that today. I expect lots of cuts. I'm terrible at video making, so. Alright, so it's kind of elongated. So that process you saw me doing, I'm going to do like a ton more times. In the absence of forging, just kind of hitting stuff really hard for a long time. So yeah, so I'm not going to show you guys all of that because it's all the same stuff over and over and over again. I will be back when I'm ready to drift the eye. Alright, so I hope you can tell that that piece is now longer and thinner. Now I have to let it cool, and then I will mark a center line on it and find the middle, and I'll start punching a hole for the eye of the tomahawk. And for those of you who don't know, the eye is where the wooden handle slides through. And so this is my beginning of a tomahawk blank, and so I will be back when I've got the middle line marked up and it's ready to forge. Quite careful with, because if I don't get it centered, I could possibly ruin the whole axe. Oh, Dougie. So I have to make sure I'm going straight down and I am right in the middle, which I seem to be doing. Like I said, it's a long, slow process, so I don't do that as often as I'd like to. I also need to get a little hotter, so I'm just getting it. I'll show you what I'm doing up close. So there's the dent for the chiseled out spot, slowly working its way through in both sides, and then they'll meet in the middle. And that is how I'm going to get my eye started. So I'm going to keep doing this a bunch of times, and I'll be back when I'm through it. Grabbed a hold of it. There we go. So there's the hole, the initial hole for the beginning of the eye, all the way through it now. Yeah, so that was that's probably one of the most painfully long processes of this. The rest of it goes by pretty quick, so I get to spread the eye out and shape the face of the axe, and I'll do some shaping on the hammer side as well a little bit. So this is called a slug. this is what I punched out of the eye. So this is a little bit of material that was left in the middle that just gets knocked out as I go. Alright, now I've started to spread the eye out so I can fit my drift into it. Alright, so this is my tomahawk drift. So I've got this in kind of chiseled. This is what I'm going to fit into it. It's going to start spreading the eye and shaping it into this teardrop shape. That way a tomahawk handle, a pre-made tomahawk handle can fit it. And so that's what this next seat's going to be, is me just getting this started in the hole. Slowly but surely that eye is going to slowly widen up and take shape. Alright, so I'll show you what I'm doing. So I got a clean eye. The shape of the eye is coming really good. Sorry, I'm not good at focusing it. So it's got a good eye, and I'm going to start spreading this out and bringing it forward to create the axe blade. And then once I'm finished with that, I'm going to pretty up the eye, because that's going to mess the eye up a little bit as I forge the blade and do some finishing touches, and then soon I'll be finished. So that is the next step.